Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Today is International No Diet Day, so have a couple sweets today. It is also National Nurses Day, and this is so amazing because our nurses are doing so many amazing things right now to help with the people in our community. So if you know a nurse, and I know a couple of friends in our classroom, their families work in hospitals, please make sure you say thank you to them. It is also National Tourist Appreciation Day. So if you've ever went somewhere and did some tourist things, like maybe visited a museum, went to a beach, fun restaurants, you have been a tourist at one time. Okay, today what you're going to do is you are going to do our share. Since today is Wednesday, normally in school it would be Walking Wednesday. So on Flipgrid, you're going to show us your favorite exercise. And then I want you to play some of your classmates and try out some of those exercises today. You're going to check in, tell me how you are feeling today. And then you're going to listen to a story called Two Bad Ants. It's one of my favorite stories. These two bad ants are very mischievous and they sneak into places and they are looking for something for their king. And then you're going to do an activity that goes along with it, matching some pictures. After that, you are going to log into iReady today and complete one math lesson. Then we are focusing on time this week. So you have 2 videos to watch about telling time, and then you're going to read some clocks and tell me what time they say. As a reminder, the little hand is the lady hand. Please read the little hand first. The minute hand is the man hand and that bigger hand. Please read that one second. The lady hand always just goes by the numbers. See the number that it just passed? That's the number it is. Man hand always counts by 5. So count by 5s until you reach to where your minute hand is. After you're finished with that, you have a social studies video to watch today, and then you are all finished. All right, friends, I hope to see you tomorrow. Goodbye.